What? Mr. Johnson? You have Skillibeng? Okay, you know how long we've been waiting for him for questioning? Please bring him in. Bring him in to me. Bring him in to me. I have a lot of questions to ask this guy. Yes, sir. Okay. I'll be rewarding you for this, you know. Yes. You have done a major thing for the JCF. Okay. Thank you very much. Yes, you have him outside? Okay. Please bring him to me. So, Mr. Skilly, you've heard that the police been searching for you for questioning for such a very long time, and you're outside driving you under up and forth, back and forth, and you ain't coming in for questioning? Eh? So, this Honda thing is getting to your head now.
One thing with the Honda, no bun gas full of comfort and punch. So when I roll out, man I run flat. Fresh panda dust up, the machine as it does land. Get guns a jump, now machine and go fuck y'all.
So Skillibeng, where are you from? Please tell me, where you come from?
East side.
So Skillibeng, please tell me, how do you reach inside here with that big bag of furs? What is inside of the bag?
Big long AK, big 4-5.
So why are you walking with an AK, such high-powered weapon, and a 4-5?
A dopey time, yeah, a dopey time.
What do you mean by it's dopey time? What do you mean by that?
Big 16, neck mara, touchy sky. Anybody win a court, no revive.
You sound like an intelligent person. What do you mean by anybody you knock out don't revive? A matter of fact, please tell me all the surrounding communities that are fall on the east side.
Dumbfish, lights east side full of rifle. We not frightened for Guffy boy.
So Skillibeng, why are you acting so irradical in my office? What, your head is more hotter than anybody else's head?
Call me brain crocodile. We bust on wally. Flip up so you see it's a real. The Glock a brace for me jeans.
Glock? What Glock?
Me and no police and me ever have a peace.
Corporal DJ, you did not search him? Jeez, you know that I'm gonna promote you. Come and search him. Oh boy. And this your boy? Eh? And this your? Eh? And this your? What are those inside the pocket inside my office? Huh? Please tell me, what are those inside the pocket?
Everything mad, memories loud. Like a hot ball, a 50 bag. Everything mad, everything mad. Everything mad, everything mad.
So Mr. Skillibeng, it's like you don't have any manners or respect for the police. Why are you smoking right in my office in front of my face?
When you see me, I'm smoking my weed off a bill with the grabber with the voltage.
Okay, alright, we're gonna hold you in custody for all those things you've been doing so long. Okay, Mr. Skillibeng. Corporal TJ, please come and remove this man out of my sight, please.
Me approach, I give them living hell. 1996 it was written.
Brick pam brick, brick pam brick pam brick.